Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video I'll show you how to create new user account over your Windows 11 operating system. This is very simple and easy. So first of all, you have to jump over the settings and then you have to make few selections, then you will be done. All right, so switch over the account section and then just click over family and other users. What it's going to do, it's going to give you some options, like if you want to add your additional family members, you can do that. Otherwise you can create other separate user with the two different privileges, like the standard or the admin. So all right, so if that user have Microsoft account, you can put that email ID and all, and you can set up one. Otherwise you can just go without Microsoft account as well. All right, I am creating the other user with this username, and the password is going to be very simple, and you have to enter some security questions in case, just in case if something goes wrong, you can revert back or you can retrieve your credentials. Okay, so now hit next and it's all done. So now you can see it has created local account. Now we are going to change its account type from standard to admin, because I want all the applications of this username, the main account, to have that account as well. For example, it has some apps like Camtasia and all the apps which have admin privileges, it can easily have that as well. Now I'm switching over to this new created username account. So now I am just going to hit over and enter the password. All right, so it is setting up a fresh account. Now we are done, things are getting ready. This might take a few minutes and that's all. All right, it's setting up in background, so it's just going to give you some very basic introduction like we get in the beginning of our operating system installation. All right, so here we are done. Now you have all the admin privileges with this new username account, and you can access all the things with complete privileges. Now if you want to go back, you can just switch over just like we did to get into this one, and you will be done. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day guys. Bye bye. You can ask me down in the comment section if you have any doubt. Bye.